How to Fix Ghost Touches on Android is a comprehensive guide to resolving unwanted touch inputs on your device. To start, it is essential to understand what ghost touches are, which are random or unintended touch inputs that occur without any physical interaction with the screen. The first step in fixing ghost touches is to restart your device, as this can often resolve the issue by clearing any temporary software glitches. If the problem persists, try booting your device in safe mode, which can help identify if a third-party app is causing the issue. Next, inspect your screen for any physical damage or debris that may be causing the ghost touches. Clean the screen with a soft cloth and check for any cracks or scratches that may be affecting the touch functionality. If your device has a screen protector or tempered glass, try removing it to see if it is interfering with the touch screen. Another potential cause of ghost touches is a malfunctioning touchscreen controller or firmware issue. Check your device manufacturer's website for any software updates, as these can often resolve touch screen issues. Additionally, try recalibrating your touchscreen by going to the device settings and looking for the calibration option. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, it may be necessary to perform a factory reset, which will erase all data on your device. Before doing so, make sure to back up your data and settings. It is also recommended to visit an authorized service center if the issue persists after trying all the above steps. To prevent ghost touches from occurring in the future, it is essential to handle your device with care, avoiding drops and extreme temperatures. Regularly cleaning the screen and keeping the device software up to date can also help prevent touch screen issues. By following these steps and taking preventative measures, you can resolve and prevent ghost touches on your Android device.